Hello dear children and parents. Hope you all are doing well. Here is the vegetable song for you. Carrots, peas and broccoli. Vegetables are good for me. Carrots, peas and broccoli. Vegetables are good for me. For my snack and in my lunch. For my snack and in my lunch. Veggie sticks are great to munch. Veggie sticks are great to munch. Carrots, peas and broccoli. Vegetables are good for me. Let us observe these vegetables. What is this? This is a potato. This is an onion. This is a carrot. We call gajar in Hindi. What is this? This is a garlic. Observe these vegetables. Ginger, spring onions, beetroot, potato, radish, carrot. So students, can you say what do these vegetables have in common? Which thing is common in all these vegetables? Yes, think about it. Yes, you are right. We have to pull all these vegetables. These vegetables grow under the ground, under the soil. So children, today we are going to see the story The Enormous Turnip from class 3rd English. Let us see the story The Enormous Turnip. Once upon a time, an old man planted some turnip seeds. See in a picture, the old man planted some turnip seeds. Then what happened? The turnip seeds grew and grew and grew into an enormous turnip. Enormous means very big. The old man says, I want to pull out the turnip. He wanted to pull out the turnip. The turnip is very big in size. The old man pulled and pulled, but he could not pull out the turnip. Then an old woman came and helped the old man. The old man and the old woman pulled and pulled, but they could not pull out the enormous turnip. Why this happened? Because the turnip is very big in size. A little boy came and said to the old man and old woman, I will help you. What happened? A little boy came there. After that, the old man and the old woman and the boy pulled and pulled, but they could not pull out the enormous turnip. A little girl came and said to the old man, the old woman and the boy, I will help you. Now there are how many persons? There are 4 persons. The old man and the old woman and the boy and the girl pulled and pulled. Up came the enormous turnip. We will help you to eat the enormous turnip, said the old woman and the boy and the girl. And they did. Summary of the story. The story, The Enormous Turnip, talks about a huge turnip. A man tries to pull it out from the ground. A boy, a woman, and a grid cross the man one by one and join to help him in pulling out the turnip. Then it is pulled up from the ground by all these people together because of its enormity. The moral of this story is that of collaboration and that if we all work together, we can do anything. So children, learn from this story that we have to work together. Good. Have you enjoyed this story? Now let us see new words. Enormous. Enormous means very large in size. Sentences. I saw an enormous animal in the zoo. I got an enormous sum of money from my father. Next word is turnip. Turnip means a round root with white or cream flesh. Example sentences. Turnips are slightly bitter to eat. We had turnip today in dinner. Third word is old man. Elderly male person. Example sentences. I helped the old man when he asked me for food. The old man's smile was very painful. Next word is old woman. Elderly female person. Example sentences. I helped the old woman cross the road. That old woman smiled at me. Next word is pulled. Meaning is to move in a specific direction. Example sentences. He pulled me towards himself. She pulled me down to sit on the chair. Students, complete this work in your English copy. Write down the new words and their meanings and also write down sentences. Now let us see question answers. Question 1 is, what did the old man plant? Answer is, the old man planted some turnip seeds. Next question, why was it difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip? Answer is, it was difficult for the old man to pull up the turnip as it was enormous. Enormous means big in size. Who helped him to pull up the enormous turnip? Answer is, the old man, the boy and the girl helped him to pull up the enormous turnip. Question 4. Who ate the enormous turnip? The old man, the old woman, the boy and the girl ate the enormous turnip. Next question is, name and draw 4 vegetables that have to be pulled out from the earth and name them in your own language also. You have to draw vegetables which are potato, beetroot, carrots, radish and also give the name in your own language. आप अपनी लैंग्वेज में इनको क्या बोलते हो ये भी आपको यहाँ पे लिखना है. Next is, let us go shopping. How many vegetables can you find in this maze? Draw a circle around each word. One has been done for you. इस मेज में कौन सी वेजिटेबल्स आपको दिखाई दे रही है? उन अल्फ़ाबेट्स को आपको सर्कल करना है. जैसे यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है पोटैटो, देयर इज अ ब्लू सर्कल. पोटैटो, POTATO. Like that, you have to find out other vegetables. Turnip, beans, peas, carrot, tomato. TURNIP, turnip. BEANS, beans. PEAS, peas. CARROT, carrot. TOMATO, tomato. And also color these circles. Next question is a game of opposites. The entries class can be divided into 2 groups where one group says one word and the second group says the opposite word. Here is the activity. Group 1 will say one word and group 2 will say the opposite word. Like pull, opposite is push. Black, opposite is white. True, false. Right, wrong. Far, near. Good, bad. Dark, light. Up, down. Old, young. You have to complete these opposite words in your English copy. Make a friendship salad. Things required: carrots 2, tomatoes 2, peas 2 spoonfuls, lemon 1. Method is, first is wash all the vegetables well. Second is cut the carrots, tomatoes and lemon. Third, mix the peas, carrots and tomatoes together. Fourth, squeeze lemon juice on top. Fifth, add salt. Sixth, mix well. Seventh step is, share your salad with your friends and also with me. Just kidding. Share it with your family members. Now next question. How do you like to eat these vegetables? Raw or cooked? Say why. Here is the list of vegetables. Carrot, turnip, potato, onion, beans. So tell me, how do you like to eat these vegetables? Raw or cooked? And also the question is, name 4 vegetables you ate last week. Write their names here. Write down here the names of the vegetables you ate last week. I like to eat turnip, potato and beans after getting cooked as they become soft to eat after that. Here is the example answer. You have to write yourself what you like to eat, raw or cook, and also tell the reason. Okay students? Next question is, complete these columns. One for one thing, and many means more than one. So here is the example. 1 carrot, many carrots. 1 potato, many potatoes. So you have to complete these columns. 1 turnip, what will be the answer? Many turnips. 1 onion, many onions. 1 tomato, many tomatoes. Like potatoes, you have to write tomatoes. Answers are given here. Carrot, carrots. Turnip, turnips. Onion, onions. Potato, potatoes. Tomato, tomatoes. You have to complete this work in your English copy. Hope you understand this story very well and enjoyed also. Okay children, bye bye, take care.
Thanks for watching.